The Ant and the Bird. One summer morning, an ant was walking on the branch of a tree. Suddenly, he slipped and plop! He fell into the river below. He was scared and began splashing his hands and feet about in despair. A kind bird that was passing by saw him. She perched on the branch and wondered, "What can I do? How can I help him?" She had an idea. Plucking a leaf from the branch, she dropped it into the river. The ant struggled and finally climbed over it. He then managed to row back to the bank. He went to the bird and said, "Thank you very much. You saved my life. I will never forget this." Many months later, as the ant was walking through the forest, he saw a hunter aiming at a bird. "Oh no, that is the bird that saved my life," the ant realized. He ran up to the hunter as quickly as he could and bit him. "Ah!" said the hunter and shook his leg. The arrow missed its mark. The bird flew away, happily saying, "Ha ha ha! Today it's my turn to say thank you. You just saved my life." Feeling satisfied, the ant went his way. Get Doubtbox on a device of your choice. We have education tablet, pen drive for PCs, SD card, smart TV apps and online versions available. Register today for a free trial and experience the new way of learning.